Welcome back to Everyday Mods Everyway. You're the viewer, this is me, and this is my Type R. Alright, so if we come down and look at my front splitter here, as you can see, this produces maximum amounts of downforce, alright? This car is literally glued to the ground, alright? Not only that, we have the addition of bat shit, alright? Gonna have to clean that off because that's kind of adding a bit of weight to the car that I don't really want.
I actually did research. This material is lighter than carbon fiber. So that's why Vin decided to put it on his car.
That's why. I need the lightest of the lightest things on this car, okay?
Civic only.
We've also got fiberglass rims, very, very light, all right? More weight reduction right here. So we have quick release bumper pins. This bumper comes off quick like me and your missus. Here, we have the tag to my Instagram account. Here, you can see me chopping every single car in Sydney, 550 horsepower at the wheels.
Link in bio.
Link in bio. Here we have my big Fugan Wang. I don't know who put this M here, but this is in fact Fugan to keep my 700 horsepower down. So Sean, is that much power?
I think that's what the previous owner said. I don't know.
Something like that, 700 horsepower.
That's what we told him.
This triangle exhaust, good things comes in threes. This is me, this is your mum, this is your missus. Type R, Type Race, chop every car in Sydney. Go on. Red Recaro seat, extra comfy for your missus when she's in the passenger seat. Sydney, we don't fix our Type Rs, put a bit of silicone, job's done.
Race.
Everyone knows I'm on meth. The fuel. Wait. This blue pipe going into my light carbon fibre intake is blue because of all the NOS that's gone through it. Red engine cover, red means fast, yeah? 868 horsepower, right here. This carbon fibre intake, the blue pipe, sucks harder than your dad looking for redemption in jail. Weighted shifter and short shifter. They call me Mr. DSG for how much I have to slam these gears when I'm pulling all that 950 horsepower. This cockpit makes me feel like I'm in the cockpit of an F-18 fighter jet when I've got to pull all that power. This is why I ran 9 seconds on the quarter mile yesterday.